Hello students, this is Radhika Atre from Holy Hearts Educational Academy, Raipur, Chhattisgarh. This video is my second part for the writing skills, the formal letter writing. In my previous video, I have already told you the 4 different types of letters that come for class 10th. I have also given the format of the letter writing, that how the address should be written and how you are supposed to give the salutation, the subject, the way you are supposed to write your date, isn't it? In this part, I am going to tell you in brief the different types of 4 letter and the purpose of writing those letters. Let me start with letter of complaint. Why do you write a letter of complaint? We write a letter of complaint if we have some issues, some complaints regarding some service or some product that we have purchased, and you are not happy with the product, or you are not happy with the service that you are getting, and therefore you are writing this letter of complaint. The letter of complaint should be written to the concerned person of that particular organization or of that particular business house, okay? And you are supposed to very much clearly mention what complaint is about what product. You are supposed to introduce yourself, the nature of complaint you are supposed to give, when did you buy that particular product, or when did you avail the service. You are supposed to give the details and what complaint you have and what you want the business firm to do regarding it. You are supposed to write all these details in letter of complaint. If I come to the next type of letter, the next type of letter is one more thing of letter of complaint is, if you want some kind of compensation, then you are supposed to mention that also in your letter. Okay, now let us move to the next type of letter. The next type of letter is letter of enquiry. Letter of enquiry, if you have come across some product that you want to buy, or you have come across some advertisement, like you are students now, you have come across an advertisement which told about some foreign language courses. Now you want to inquire about it, okay? Or some product you want to buy, you want to inquire about it. What is the price, what quality the product is of, then what brand it is, how much time will it take to reach you, then what are the terms and conditions, or if you will get any kind of discount, how it will be sent, and all these things will come under a letter of enquiry. Like I gave you the example that some foreign language institution has given this advertisement of foreign language classes. So you want to inquire the duration, how long the course is for, what is the duration of the class, is it every day, who will teach, what are the benefits of learning foreign languages, and all such things you can write in the letter of enquiry. Now the next letter that I'm going to talk about is letter of placing order. Now in the previous thing, you have inquired about the product, or you have inquired about the services, isn't it? Now you have decided to buy that particular product or to avail the service. Now you want to place order. For example, if you have decided to open a restaurant, okay? So you want to buy some cutlery, you want to buy some crockery, you want to buy some furniture, okay? So right now you want to buy some furniture, so you are placing an order. You have already inquired about it, you are placing an order. So you will write the specification of the chairs, then how many chairs you want, then what price the person had quoted, so accordingly, and then the other furniture like table or the counter, or different kinds of stools, whatever furniture comes under restaurant, you are placing order for those furniture. Then apart from that, while placing order, you will also specify the quality of the furniture, you will specify the terms and condition, the payment of the mode of payment, then how the person is going to send you, the transport facility that is. Then you will also ensure about taxes. You will also ensure about discount maybe that person has promised you, so you just want to remind. So all these things will come under letter of placing order. And the last letter that I'm going to come is letter to editor. Letter to editor is specifically written to raise a particular issue and to grab the reader's attention. Maybe that issue is of some importance, like nowadays young people drive bikes very roughly. Okay, so you want to raise this issue because maybe you're finding some youngsters driving very roughly in on the road in front of your house, and you have seen that it is causing a problem to the elderly people, or it is making a lot of noise, it is making a lot of pollution, it is a risk for the people who walk on that road, or the people who are on the other vehicle, it is a risk for them also. So you want to grab the attention of the reader, you want to grab the attention of the authorities so that some action is taken against these riders, and it will the society or the area or the locality becomes safe again for the elderly person as well as for other people also. Okay, so this is letter to editor. So students, right now I have discussed the four letters: letter of complaint, letter of enquiry, letter of placing order, letter to editor. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to send you some assignments where I'm going 4 different assignments I will send, and in every assignment first I'm going to give you a sample letter, and then I'm going to ask you to write couple of letters of similar type. Okay, so just go through both the videos, the previous one and this one. Just revise what you're supposed to write in a letter, what are the different kinds of letter and why they should be written. Okay, and wait for the assignments. See you soon with another video. Till then, please stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.